Welcome to all UME2A students for engineering drawing lecture on the unit 5, that is a missing view. Now we will see the problem. Now here is the problem. Figure shows elevation and plan of an object. Now elevation means front view and plan means top view. Draw the left end means side view of an object. Use first angle projection method. Now what is given in the figure? They have given the two orthographic views, that is elevation, that is front view, and plan, that is top view. And from this we have to draw the left hand side view, means on the right side. They have given the two figures. Now up till now what we have studied, by observing the two figures, we can draw a three-dimensional figure and automatically we can draw the side view. Now here, what is the length they have given? They have given this is the 15 mm thickness, that is height is here 30 mm. What is the semicircular part at left side and right side, both the sides? The radius of it is 25 mm, 18 mm hole is drilled, and 20 mm hole is drilled here. And here is the whole length. What is the height of the hole we are saying here? Here is the rib. This is the triangular rib. What is thickness of the rib is 10 mm. This is the horizontal length of the rib is 30. Vertical length is 30. This is the inclined surface of the rib. Now, if I take a O position here, and here is the draw. I have drawn the three-dimensional view. That is in the front view. If we draw here, it will look in this fashion. Here. If you draw the top view here, if you look from the top view, first if you do look at the top view, this is the three-dimensional figure of this orthographic projection. Now we have to draw the side view. We have to draw the side view of an object. Now if you see the side view here, what is this length? It is 50 mm. We are know that this is also the 50 mm length. What is the height here? This height is 30. And this height is 15 mm. Okay. Now, if I draw the side view looking in, this is the left hand side view. If you look at the left side, this is left hand, this is the front view. Now, if you draw the side view here, this length is 50 mm. I will draw the center line here. Now, if I look at this direction, this is the length 50 mm. What is the thickness of this plate is 15 mm. Okay, this is the center line. Again the same width is there. What is the height from here? That is 30 mm. Now this rib starts from this surface. What is the height total rib is there of 5 mm aside here. And a hole is drilled. This is 20 mm hole throughout the length 30 and 50, and this is 18 mm. And this way we have to complete the side view if you are able to complete the observe it. Now we will draw the figure. Procedure to draw the figure. We have to draw the given figure. They have given the center distance between this is 45 plus 20, that is 65 mm, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10, 65. I have taken here out on the horizontal center line, 2 vertical center line. What is the radius? We know the 25 mm, 10, 20 and 25 mm. Here I have taken 25 mm. And I will draw this top view first. These are the both semicircles. From this here given the 20 mm, 10, 20 mm length here. Here is the whole of 18 mm means 9 mm. And here hole is of diameter 20 mm. First you have to complete this figure and rip what they are given in the question. Is 30 mm length and this is 5 mm. Okay. Now we have to project, we have to draw the front view. They have given the front view also here. I will proceed this center line. I will also proceed these lines here. Now here, from here, this is the projection line. Here I will start. Total length they are given. A straight line, this is the surface. This is 15 mm thickness and this 15 plus total height 30 from here. 10, 20 and 30. Now up till this line. Here I will proceed this line. Here is 15 mm length. This is the center line. Here I will draw. Ten, 20 and 30 up till this. Here is the boundary. Now rip. Here is the projection of the rip. Now these are the dotted lines. Here the dotted line for I will draw the projection here for 9 mm. Okay. Now I will draw. This is the XY line here. Now this is XY line. This is X1 Y1 line. Now first I have drawn the 45-degree line here. Then now transfer this center line at this line. I will draw the center line here. I will project this line here, the end lines. I project in the upward direction. Now here is the projection line. Now this will be the dark line here. And this is the another projection line we have to forward here. This will also be looking in the left side. This will be also dark here. Now you are looking into this side, the shape of the top is here, in this way. Top side shape. So if you look at here, this is the position we are overlapping this top view. So the thickness is 50 mm same. I will draw the projection line here. that is height of 30 mm. Now rib, this is your rib. It starts from here. This is the projection for the rib, but we have to transfer these projections in upward direction. Now here the rib start, here is the projection line. From here up till here, the boundaries we have fixed here. Now we can draw the rib. Now this is 20 mm hole is drilled. Here the projections come from the center line 10 mm and from the center mm 10 mm. On the other side, this hole is completely here. This is the projection of hole. I have transferred it here 10 and 10. What is the height? This is the height of the hole. So now this 18 mm hole, that is 9 mm on this side and 9 mm apart from this center line. But what is the height? That is 15 mm. That will be also seen here. That will be dotted. In this way we have to complete the side view of an object. Here, now from this figure they have given the two views. We can draw the three-dimensional. We can imagine it. And without imagination, we also draw. Here, how to draw, how to transfer these lines and complete the missing view, that is side view, I have shown in this figure. How to imagine the top view, what is the distance of a rib, what is the whole height, what is diameter, how to transfer in the side view, where the rib starts, ends, and this is our answer. That they have given this question. They have drawn this top view first again. They have given draw the left hand side view, and they have drawn the front view. Same here they have drawn. Then they have at 45 x1 y1 line, at 45 they have transferred as we have completed in this figure, and they have completed the missing view. This is very important, and you have to practice it very well. It happens after the practice. Okay, thank you.